Hey there, kids! Today I'm reviewing the Mijia Precision Electric Screwdriver by Xiaomi. Let's dive into it. The packaging is pretty sleek. Most of the information on the box is in Chinese, which might be a downside for non-Chinese speakers, but it's simple enough to figure out what's inside. Inside the box, we get a short Type-C charging cable and a user manual, which, again, is all in Chinese, so not particularly useful unless you read the language. The screwdriver itself has a brushed metal finish with rounded edges, making it feel comfortable and solid in hand. The design is minimal and clean, with a Mijia logo on the front. One thing I noticed is that the quality of the materials stands out. It feels premium for a small tool like this. There's more Chinese text on the back, but none of it is crucial for operation. The box opens with a spring-loaded mechanism, which adds a nice touch, but nothing essential. Inside, you'll find a set of 24 bits, each with a clear marking, and they attach magnetically to the tray. This magnetic feature is a plus. It helps keep the bits in place and easy to access. The screwdriver itself has a bit of heft, which I actually like. It gives it a sense of durability. It has a 2-state power switch, though I'm not entirely sure what the difference is between the modes, probably torque or speed variation. You've also got the standard right and left buttons for screwing in or out. Nothing too fancy, but it gets the job done. Charging the device took about an hour, which seems reasonable. Once fully charged, it performed as expected. The motor isn't particularly loud, and it's strong enough for precision tasks like working with small electronics or appliances. It won't replace a heavy-duty driver, but for what it's designed for, it handles well. The bits are well made and fit nicely into the screwdriver. Overall, this screwdriver is a solid choice if you're looking for something lightweight, portable, and designed for small, detailed work. It's a reliable tool, and I didn't encounter any major issues while using it.